Now, let's say first I'll start with very simple question. So what is angle of deviation? We have seen what all things we have seen. I equal to R, delta equal to 180 minus 2R, right? Now let's say I have a surface. There is a surface. Light is incident on it at 25 degrees. This is incident ray. Fine. The question is find the angle by which light is deviated. Find the angle by which light is deviated. You're required to find the angle by which light is deviated.
Sir, can we have again pole around for this?
Sir, 50 degrees.
I'm sorry. You want your interest?
Yes.
Let me check if there is an option for the answer. Arpan Raj result, only 2 people got it right. Let me check if that result still exists. Yeah, this is the result of the previous poll. So we had 33%, only 3 people got it right, right? So out of 9 people, 3 people got it right. Yeah, now let's see. You want me to give answers for this and then a poll? No, I want you to solve it and give me the answer. No poll for this case.
Sir, 50 degrees.
Sir, 130 degrees.
Arpan 130. Please type it so that I can read it, because otherwise when you're shouting, I'm not understanding who is speaking it out. Yeah, please type it, all of you. Arya, Ainal, Alina, Arpan.
Sir, I have typed.
Okay, 130, 130, 130. That's Arpan.
Yes,
Dhara,
sir. 130 degree only.
Anurag 50. Dhara, I can see your name. Aniket 130. Arya 130. Arpan Raj 130. Yasmin 130. I want answers from Ainal. Ainal, what is the answer? Elena. Elena has not answered. Saida, you also please type your answer. Soumya, you are yet to answer. Ainal, what is the answer? Only degrees. What is the value? Okay. Okay, so all of you are saying 130. Let me check what is the answer. Fine. So first objective here is to find what is angle of incidence. What is angle of incidence here? This is angle of incidence. Fine. What is angle of incidence? Can I say angle of incidence plus 25 equal to 90 degrees? So I equal to 90 minus 25. That is equal to how much? 65 degrees. Is that fine? So what is the angle of incidence? Angle of incidence is 65 degrees. So what is angle of deviation? Delta equal to 180 minus 2 into 65. So how much would that be equal to? 180 minus 130.
So 130 degree.
Answer
That
is
is
50
degree.
Yeah. So what is the answer? Answer is 50 degrees. So how many of you got it right? 1. Arpan 90. No, it's not 90. Let me check who got it right. Anurag got it right. Okay. Anyone else? Yeah, only Anurag got it right. Good, Anurag. Others? Aniket 50. Okay. Others? Did you understand where did you go wrong? 25 degrees is not angle of incidence, because you people have taken IS 25. What is angle of incidence? All of you. What is angle of incidence? Angle of incidence is what?
Angle between normal and incident ray.
Yes, it is angle between normal and incident ray.
Yes, sir.
I hope this is clear. So this is what is the angle of incidence. This is normal. Normal means it is 90 degrees. Is this clear to all of you? Yeah, is this clear to all of you? Yes, sir. So somebody saying Arya is very confident. Others? Yes. Any no's?
Yes,
So
sir.
anyone? Aniket, you gave me the answer, so I'm sure about it. I want answers from the people who have not given answers. Ainal, Alina, you're not given answers. Soumya, 3 of you. Yes. Okay. If you give thumbs up, then I go ahead.
Sir.
Now let's go ahead. One more question of this kind. Now let me
Yes,
do this
sir.
way. Yeah, let me do this way.
Sir,
Again,
for this we can have poll round.
I'll give you polls. Fine, don't worry about that. Not this one, because these are the things that you are required to solve it. If I give you a poll, what will happen? Most of you will choose an answer. I want you to solve it. Let's say this is incident ray, this is surface, and this is reflected ray. Now this is incident ray and this is reflected ray. The angle, this is 90 degrees. Now the question is this. Find the angle by which light gets deviated. I hope it is visible. What I have written here is incident ray. And what is this? This is reflected ray. What are you required to find? You're required to find the angle by which the ray is deviated. The question is same. Find the angle by which light is deviated. Anurag, Soumya, Dhara. Okay. Arpan. Aniket. Good. Yasmin. Good. Arpan again. Fine. Soumya has given answer. Okay. Anyone who is left out?
There some people are still writing.
Yeah. Let's wait for 30 seconds more. Okay, done. So all of you got 90 degrees. So let me see what answer do I get. Now, one way of doing directly is I can just extend this. What is this angle? This is delta. Now, if this total angle is 180 degrees, if this is 90, what is this? This is 90. This is one way of doing it. Other way of doing it is what? What is angle of incidence? Angle between incident ray and reflected ray is 90 degrees. Then that means I plus R equal to 90. Or 2i equal to 90, or I equal to how much? 90 by 2. That is 45 degrees. I hope that is clear. Fine. So I equal to 90 by 2, that is 45 degrees. So what is delta equal to? 180 minus 2i. That is 180 minus 2 into 45. That is equal to 90 degrees. All of you very good, right? So now shall we go for one more question of the same level or slightly higher level?
Yes, sir.
Of the same level or slightly higher level? Okay, so
one more question, please.
Yes,
Of
yes,
higher
one
level.
of higher level. Yes. So all of you are ready? Soumya, I want an answer from you. Dhara, did you answer in the previous question? I didn't see your answer. Let me check. Dhara, yeah, okay. Okay, fine. So yes, so let's see. I'm just clearing the board so that the question remains more or less same. Now what do I do is, I have, let's say, two mirrors, two reflecting surfaces joined like this. I have two reflecting surfaces joined like this. This is 90 degrees.
Spamming the chat box.
So you are not audible.
What are you trying to write, Aniket? Okay, fine. So the next question is, fine. Let's see. See, Aniket, I don't understand what you're trying to write over there. Okay, so now let's see. The next question is, we have two surfaces and an incident light strikes one of the surface, let's say at an angle of 30 degrees. So incident light is striking one of the surface at 30 degrees. Question is find the angle by which light is deviated. So I'll make it very clear. Light is deviated after two reflections.
Sir, I think this is higher, so when can we have go around for this?
I'm sorry.
Sir, I think this is not tough. I think this is a higher question, so can we have go around for this?
I'm sorry. I'm not able to hear. Arya, can you? Yeah, just a second. Who is saying Arya or Arpan?
Sir, I am saying that can we, as this is a higher level question, so can we have poll round for this?
You want see in our unfortunately in our polling round we don't have an option to upload the answer. Anyhow, yeah, we'll have a poll round. After the next question, we'll have a polling round. Fine. This one I want you to solve it. Yes, go ahead.
Sir, I got the answer.
You got the answer? Did you write the answer?
Sir, I did.
You got 120 degrees. Let's see others. Aniket, all of you are getting 120 degrees. I don't know. I have to still, calculate the answer.
So mine answer is 120 degrees.
Yeah, I could see your answer. I hope you understood the question. All of you.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's see.
Sir, you are asking me what is the angle of deviated?
What is the angle by which light is deviated after two reflections?
Okay.
So, did you understand the question?
Yes, sir.
Okay. 1200? Okay, 120. Dhara, what is the answer? Saida, what is the answer?
Sir,
Yes.
some people have only chosen to listen what you are saying and not to answer.
That's
I mean,
okay.
they cannot unmute themselves.
That's okay. No issue. The people who don't want to answer, use the mic, they can always type it in the chat box. There is absolutely no problem with that, right? Okay, yeah. So I think all of you have given us yes when all of you. Anurag says 60, 120, Alina, Saida, 120. Dhara, what is your answer? Yeah, Yasmin, I saw your answer. Ainel, what about you? Ainel, what is your answer? Dhara and Ainel, I want answers from you people. I think rest all have given. Alina is also given. Okay, so let me see what do I get. Okay, now let's try to find out the way the light would go. 30 degrees, then it comes like this. This would be how much? What will be this angle? Yes, what would be that angle?
So 30 degrees only.
So it would be 30 degrees. Why is it 30 degrees? Because
Sir,
angle of incidence
because
equal
the
to
angle of incident is equals to angle of reflection.
this is delta. How much is delta? 180 minus 60. This is how much? 120. But this is not the final answer. Because what is happening? The light is coming here and striking the surface again. Now if this is 30, now I draw another normal here. This normal, because this is 90 degrees, what will be this? Can I say this is 90 degrees? Because both the surfaces are perpendicular to each other, both the normals will also be perpendicular to each other. Then, otherwise, let's forget about this. If this is 30 degrees, how much is this? Can I say this is 30 degrees? Just check it. Is that okay?
Yes.
Okay, so this is 30 degrees. Now for this part, what is angle of incidence? Angle of incidence is how much?
60 degrees.
60 degrees. So what will be angle of reflection? This would be
60 degrees.
60 degrees. So I need to find what is the deviation here.
That's
How much
60
is the
degrees.
deviation? No. This is 60, this is 60. So what is delta? Delta equal to 60 degrees. I'll say this is delta 2 and this is delta 1. Now here, how is the light bending? Like this. Now here, how is the light bending? Again like this. So can I say total deviation equal to delta 1 plus delta 2?
Okay, sir.
Yes, did you understand? So here light is bending like this. Here also light is bending like this. So what is total deviation? Can I say delta 1 plus delta 2? So what is total deviation equal to delta 1 plus delta 2 is how much? 120 plus 60. So what is the answer? Answer is 180 degrees. Just check, is that clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So where did you go wrong? Arpan 240, Arya 240. Okay, new answer is 240. No, final answer is 180 degrees. Just check, is that clear to all of you?